Hey girls and guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I am EJ, known as Elix. And this one is a very different. I'll be showing you some of my go-to tricks with a fidget spinner. With my body parts. Like only my knee or my arm. And my hands. So one of my go-to ones is actually this to this. And then this one. So you find a groove when you just flick it. But make sure you don't hurt yourself doing this, because fidget spinners are actually quite heavy unless you have this one. Or this one. So you've got to be careful on fidget spinners because they are quite hard. These are quite dangerous to play with if you just do this all day.